Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a super handy tip for you that can save you time and money. Have you ever had your TV remote stop working, and you're stuck pressing buttons over and over again, hoping it'll come back to life? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix your remote control using just a pencil. Yep, you heard that right. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the remote. Once you've got the remote open, you'll see a circuit board and rubber pad with all the buttons attached. These rubber buttons have little black conductive circles underneath them. This is what makes the connection when you press a button. If these black contacts wear down or get dirty, the buttons stop working properly. Now here's where the pencil comes in. Take a regular graphite pencil and gently color in the black conductive circles on the rubber pads. Graphite is a conductor, so this will help improve the connection when the button is pressed. Make sure to apply a light but even layer of graphite over each contact. Next, let's clean the circuit board where the contacts touch. Use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol and gently wipe down the contact points on the board. This will remove any dirt, dust, or oil that's built up, which could also be causing the remote to malfunction. Once everything is cleaned and the contacts have been recharged with graphite, it's time to reassemble the remote. Carefully put the rubber pad and circuit board back in place and close the remote's case. Make sure everything is aligned properly before securing it shut. Now, the moment of truth. Pop the batteries back in and test it out. If the remote is working again, great job. If it's still not responding, try repeating the steps to make sure you've applied enough graphite. And there you have it, an easy fix for your remote using nothing but a pencil. This little trick can extend the life of all your remotes at home. So before you go out and buy a new one, give this hack a try. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome DIY fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.